This video will take you through setting up the hot water times on your Inspire system. Now, the hot water times, where you find them, will differ depending upon your unit type. If you have an older NS unit or a zone system, then you'll find the hot water as a separate tab on the left-hand side of the page. So for example here. On this page, we can cycle heating the hot water between off, auto or manual. Under settings, you can set the boost length if you want it for the hot water. Of course, Program Advanced, if applicable, may or may not be available on your unit. And then under the locks, we can enable or disable functions for your hot water. And then under schedules, you can set your hot water times. You can also switch between 5-2, 7-day or 1-day time. So if we go to 1 day, return back to the schedules, you'll see we just have 1 day listed here without any option of selecting weekends or weekdays. If you have the light or the ignite system or newer thermostats, if you select this property, you will see the heating and hot water is combined into one. So here we have the heating side, and here we have the hot water side. So this is where you switch your hot water between off, auto, manual, or boost. Under the settings tab, you'll find a hot water option here. You can select the boost length and Program Advanced again if you want to enable or disable it. You will need the boiler type here set to other rather than combi. If it's set to combi, the hot water controls will disappear and they will not be available. This is because a combi boiler is hot water is provided on demand by the boiler and the Inspire system does not control it at all. Let's pop this back to other, and now the hot water controls are back. For the locks, you'll find these at the bottom of the locks page with the hot water controls. And schedules, for the schedules, it defaults to heating first. So if you go to the drop down here and select hot water, you'll see your hot water times. And again, under the settings, if you wanted to change it from 5-2, 7-day, 5-2 or 1 day, you can do that here. So let's put 7 days, so every day is different in this example. Return back to the schedules and you can see we have every day listed. If we want to make a change to hot water, so the default setting has it on 6 till 8, again at lunchtime, 12 till 1, and in the evening from 6 till 8. So let's say we just want it on during the day only, but not at night. So we'll just have to remove some of these extra options here. And you can now see that the hot water comes on from 6 o'clock until 8 o'clock. If we wanted to adjust these, we can just adjust the time here. So let's make it 7 until 9. And then we'll just save it when we're done. And the hot water is now set to come on between 7 AM until 9 PM. Again, you have to make sure that the hot water is set to auto for it to follow these times.